Now let's see which company to choose and what are the parameters that are included while choosing a company. So the first and foremost is basically the best settlement ratio. So this is a calculation of a percentage of policies settled versus the policies applied for a claim. And you can ignore a company with settlement ratio less than basically 90 or 95%. Like if the settlement ratio is less than this, like you can directly ignore them. And next is the history of the company. So you have to check the history of the company basically, because whether the company has sustained in the last 5 to 10 years with profits or not. Because if a company cannot sustain last 10 years in profits, there are high chances of that going into the losses in future as well. And basically, I mean, whatever the insurance, it can be life or health insurance, like we have to make sure that this insurance is available in our future. Basically, I'm 28, 30, so I'll choose a company that can sustain after 30 years, because when you comes to 60, then uh, this insurance will play a huge role. So I have to see a company that can sustain after 30 years, right? So this will also be a major part. And you have to see whether a company insurance company is present in all the geographies or not. I think, regarding this, I have explained you in my previous video as well. You can check there. And the premium amount. So this can be considered as a last parameters. So if all the policy terms and conditions are okay, basically the above three are fine. And if you still see there is a difference in the premium amount, you can pick a company with less premium amount, because why to waste the money, right? Like you can invest that extra money into investments, and like maybe from there you can earn more. So these are the four parameters that you have to check before before finalizing any company.